Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So today I have a pick a deck reading. So pick one deck, I'll pick one card, and that's going to give you a theme for the next 7 days. So let's see what is it in for you. So if you pick this deck, which is the first deck. So let's see what will happen in the next 7 days for you. You have the Seven of Cups. Wow. I feel that a lot of illusions are, you are letting go of a lot of illusions and you are seeing the reality of things finally. I sense a lot of you getting out of a lot of addictions because we have the snakes and we have cups here, and I'm sensing some toxic patterns are getting over for you. You could be going through a transformative period. Snake also tells me that. um Seven of Cups also talks about choices, and this is the time that you have to make choices that are best for you. And yeah, so it's a transformative time, making good choices and staying away from any addictive substances. Okay, so if you picked up this deck, let's see what is the theme for this week going to be. Let's see what is the theme for the week going to be. We have Knight of Pentacles in reverse. You could be really struggling with moving forward. Okay, you could be feeling stuck. You could be feeling unstable, and you could be feeling that things are taking a lot of time to move forward. Know that sometimes when things take time to move forward, better things are on their way. Even if it is a small even if it is a small milestone that you are achieving right now, you're going to get somewhere by, when the time is right or in divine timing. Also, I'm getting that you shouldn't be impatient, but work on grounding yourself and meditate a little bit and do things which are closer to earth, like do grounding exercises, walk barefoot on the ground, um, you can also spend a lot of time in nature this week. This is going to help you and clear your mind to move forward. Okay, so if you pick this deck, let's see what is it that you can expect in the coming week. We have the Six of Pentacles. Wow. And we have the Chariot. Very positive card, guys. I feel that with the Six of Pentacles, you are moving forward in the right direction. Six of Pentacles is also whatever, it's about equal give and take. So whatever effort that you've put in, you're going to get back. This also talks about being generous with your wealth. So this is a time for you to also, if you receive some money or some favor, please give back. Do not keep everything to yourself. And I feel this is also about you finally receiving the rewards of the hard work that you've done. Okay, let me know in the comments.